Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm back in the car fixing something that I broke, and that is the OBD2 plug that goes underneath the driver's side footwell right here. As you can see, mine is broken. We're replacing that today and walking you guys through the steps to remove everything and actually how to get the wires out of the holes without ruining them. All right, let's get started. All right, so first thing I had to do was remove this cover right here. So you can see the just little plugs, they just clip into the holes, adjustable there, so you can get them all lined up. You just pull that out. Just doesn't take much force. Just pull up on it, both hands. That's out. So next is we have to get this cover off because I want to get access to the back of the plug here. So it's better if I just remove this, and plus I've got to take it off anyway so I can screw it back into the side of the footwell there. All right, so first we need to remove these Phillips screw that's holding the hood latch release. So let's get that out. All right. And then there is a screw underneath it. Well, there was. Mine does not have it anymore. Alright, so let's get these screws off here. Oops, that is the Torx. Alright, well, let's get that. Alright, so next we have to remove these screws right here to remove this bottom plastic cover. So there's 3 screws on the front here, and then I believe there's some in the back. Alright, next is this T20 Torx screw. Just pull right out and pull forward. Make sure it doesn't catch a nut. Alright, next you got to pop this little gray clip out so it releases the wires. Just pop it out. You have to pull it all the way out. Actually, you can't, but you can just pop it out just as far as it goes, where it stops. You want to make sure you have one of these pin removal tools. So I'm going to use this one that slides onto each side of the wire and releases the catch so it can slide out. So I've got my replacement plug here, so I'm just going to pull them out one at a time and put them in the exact same position on the new plug. We'll start. Alright guys, so just want to show you how I'm inserting the tool into the slots on the plug. So here you can see where the wires would be in the plug. So you take the tool with the smallest prongs and slide them into the 2 slots on the top and the bottom of the wire, and slide that almost all the way in. Probably needs to go about that far. And that will release the 2 tangs on either side of the terminal and allow you to pull it out from the back with your pliers. it down here at the end. Got to slide it in from the front around each side of the terminal. Push fairly hard, then use my needle nose and give the wire a little pull, like so. You just got to keep very good track of where you're pulling these out of, and I'm replacing them right into the new plug as I go, so I don't misplace one. There you go, you can hear it click into place. Making sure I got this the right way. Yep. Alright, next. That's it, done. Now technically, I should have kept this retaining piece in while I was putting those pins in. You're just supposed to pull it out a little bit, and you can see on the old one, the back two pieces are broken, and I had already put those pins in now, and I forgot to put this in. So I'm going to reuse the old one since it's already got the back pieces already out. So let's throw that in. One thing I was just reading about when I was looking up how to do this is that you can actually fail your vehicle inspection if this is broken. And I hadn't done an inspection since it was broken, but I would hate to get down there and find out that that I failed just because this plug was broken. So alright, now before I put everything together, I'm actually going to plug in my cable and make sure that I can actually read the car data from it to make sure I got all the pins back in the right place and connect it. So let's go get my DCAN cable and see what happens. Well, seems like it can read it just fine. So, all right, we're gonna call that success. And real quick, I just want to show you the back side of this cover when you're pulling this off. So on mine, on E92 2011, It's got one push pin that goes into the side wall there, and one at the top here. Sorry about the light. There's one here at the top that pushes here and slides into this one, like that. So yeah, so when you know, so you know where to look when you're going to pull this out. And don't forget to plug in your trunk release. Like so. Okay. And that should be it. All right, that's in place, and let's plug in speaker that I unplugged and didn't need to, and whatever this thing is, I'm not even sure what that is. Let's plug that back in. Alright, I think everything is reconnected. Slide it back under, make sure this doesn't hit the wire that's right there. Alright, yeah, there's a catch in the back here that this has to slide onto. There we go. That's everything in place. There. Yep. There's one latch in the back here. Right there where my light is. Alright guys, so that's it. That's yeah, how to replace the OBD2 port. The worst part is the getting the pins out of the plug. You got to have one of these or something similar to get those terminals out of the out of the connector. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't. I wouldn't even start this job without having this on hand. And so let's take a look at the result here. So Alright guys, so there it is. The OBD2 plug is replaced. All the pins, all the terminals were replaced. And yeah, it looks good. Tested it with my DCAN cable. Looks good. So yeah.